Hi, welcome to Ethos. Today we're touring our A1 floor plan, which is 625 square feet. Entry door, and then right behind that you've got your coat closet. Our A1 floor plan is a nice open concept floor plan with a living dining combo, and your kitchen is right off of that area. All of our homes come with stainless steel appliances and the chocolate mocha cabinets. This is a ground floor, so it does have the darker granite along with the stained concrete flooring. All of our homes come with full-size washer dryer connections, so you're all set to bring your own. We do have select homes that come with a washer and dryer. All of our homes have wonderful natural light. I'll take you into the bedroom. Bedroom comfortably fits a queen-size bedroom set. Again, large windows bring in that natural light. The bathroom is right off of your master. And as you can see, you've got lots of space in here. Sunken tubs in every single home as well. And then the closet in this floor plan is amazing. You have tons of shelving for all of your good stuff. And then lastly, we'll move out to the patio area. This specific floor plan does have an attached yard, which is wonderful. Nice extension of your rental space here. And of course we have exterior access so that our landscaping crew can take care of your yard for you. Well, we hope to see you soon. Bye.